Sonic.
Hi, Sonic. This is his face reveal.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is his Knuckles shoulder pad.
We're going unboxing this Golden Mario
From Mickey D's / McDonald's.
Yes.
If you didn't know.
Okay.
Where are you?
We're going to unbox this. Woo!
Cheese. Rice. Pepperoni. I don't care. You have to go to bed soon and you're going to eat.
Anyway, this is mine, by the way. Oh, it was under it and Golden Mario. Oh my god. Like it's like this. Oh. Okay. We're just gonna put the stickers on like this. Okay. Oh wait, you can take the wheels off. I completely forgot about that. And you can make it like a little bit tall car. So when it's like, get it out of the way. So when it's driving, like, what the heck did I just do? Okay. You can attach it back. It's very easy. Let's do that. And then we're gonna put the first sticker on it. I completely mixed them up, so yeah. Oh yeah. Woo,
I
yeah.
made the mouth. Bottom. I'm
Yay.
trying to make a paper dragon.
You can't even see his eyes. Sounds good. Alright. Bye, Sonics. Bye.